Hi, Joshua.
Hi.
Do you know your multiplication tables?
Yes.
Do you know all of them?
No.
Which ones don't you know?
4 times tables, 6 times tables, 9 times tables, 7 times tables.
You know your 4s?
No.
Okay. Do you know your 2s?
Yes.
Do you know your 0s?
Yes.
Your 1s?
Yes.
Your 3s?
Yes.
Okay, let's start there. Do you know your 5s?
Yes.
Okay. What's 1 times 1?
0. I mean 1.
1 times 2?
2.
1 times 3?
3.
1 times 4?
4.
1 times 5?
5.
What happens anytime you multiply a number by 1?
It just keeps going, like, you only just go 1, like 1, 2. You count by ones.
You count by 1s?
Mm-hmm.
So anytime you multiply a number by 1, what happens?
It becomes a number.
It becomes the number. Okay. What happens anytime you multiply a number by 0?
It becomes nothing.
Like, what do you mean? Explain that.
0 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 1. I mean 0. So it's all 0.
Okay. What happens when you multiply a number by 2?
By 2, it goes by counting by 2.
Okay, so
Multiplying by 2.
okay, so 2 times 2 is
4.
2 times 6 is
6. I mean 12.
2 times 8 is
18. 16.
okay. So are you doubling the number?
Yeah.
Okay. What happens? Okay, so now 3s. 3 times 1 is
3.
3 times 3 is
9.
3 times 6 is
12. I mean, 3 times 6. 6.
You're talking about 3 groups of 6. So you have 6 plus 6 plus 6. How much is that?
6. How many 6s? 3?
Yeah. Well, so what is 6 plus 6?
12.
Right. And one more 6 is?
18.
Okay. So you said you don't know your 4s.
Mm-hmm.
You know your 5s?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what's 5 times 5?
25.
What's 5 times 7?
35.
What's 5 times 9?
45.
What are you doing to get the answer?
Counted by 5s.
You're counting by 5s. Are you counting on your fingers? Are you counting in your head? What are you doing?
Counting in my head.
Okay. So I have something that I want us to talk about. You said you don't know your 4s, but you know your 2s. So the thing about your 4s and your 2s are that 4 is just double 2. So if you know your 2s, then you know your 4s. You just think 2 and double it. So for example, if I say what's 4 times 4, you just think what is 2 times 4 and double that. So let's try that. What is, I'm going to write it down so you can see. If I say 2, we were trying to think what is 4 times, I said 4 times 4. But you think 2 times 4. What is 2 times 4?
8.
Mm-hmm. So now double this, and you're going to get what 4 times 4 is.
18.
What is 8 doubled?
16.
Right. So if I said what is 4 times 5, think
20.
2 times 5,
20.
and you get 10, and you double it. So if I said what is 4 times 6, you think 2 times 6, and you double it. What is 2 times 6?
24.
What is 2 times 6?
12. If you double it equals 24.
Right. So what is 4 times 9? You think 2 times 9 plus 2 times 9. So what is 2 times 9?
2 times 9 is 18.
Right. And so now you double it to get your 4s. What's 18 doubled?
18 doubled is 38.
18 doubled.
38.
No.
18 doubled.
Here, you can write it out.
$36.
36. So what I want you to take away from this conversation and what I want you to practice is you really do know your fours. Because if you know your twos, then you automatically know your fours, right? Can you give me an example of that?
2 times 7.
Is what?
2 times 7 equals 16.
Not today. What is 2 times 4?
2 times 4 is 16.
No.
18.
No, you're guessing. Think 7 plus 7 is what?
14.
Right. So 2 times 7 is 14.
Mm-hmm.
And double that to know what 4 times 7 is.
4 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 14. Equals 38.
Where did you get the 1 from?
I got the 1 equals.
Okay, I'm just gonna erase
28.
this. It's 28, right? Okay, so that's a strategy that you could work on to practice your fours. Okay? Do you understand the strategy?
No.
You don't understand the strategy? Well, what is the strategy we've just been working on?
Oh, yeah, I do understand.
Okay, explain it back to me. What is the strategy?
The strategy is like 2 times 6 equals 12.
Okay.
You double that, and that makes 4 times. And you double that, and that makes 4 times 9. Oh, wait. That makes 4. Yeah, that makes 4 times 9. And 12 plus 4 times 9 is 24.
Well, you did 2 times 6. So now you're trying to figure out 4 times 6. Where'd you get the 9 from?
The 9? What 9?
The 9 that you just talked about.
Oh, okay.
You were looking down here. Maybe we should erase some of this other stuff that we did. If you're trying, let's take your example. You said 2 times 6. If we want to know what 4 times 6 is, we can think 2 times 6 is 12. So 4 times 6 would be what?
4 times 6 is
double that.
24.
24. All right. Well, thank you, Joshua. We're going to keep working on this.